the highest human rights officer in the world, the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Volker Türk, has not said one word about China's residential boarding school system in Tibet that now has separated approximately 1 million Tibetan children from their parents and from their families. They're made to live in a coercive, assimilationist boarding school system that is ripping their mother tongue from their mouth, that is replacing their Tibetan identity with a hyper-nationalistic, violent Chinese Communist Party identity. And they're at risk of serious abuse and neglect in these so-called schools. And he's not said anything. His own experts from his own office, UN experts, independent experts on culture, on education, on minorities, important UN committees have all called for this system to be immediately abolished, called on the Chinese government to abolish this system of coercive residential boarding schools for Tibetan children. And he's not said anything. And it's been years. It's absolutely unacceptable. It's outrageous. And why is he doing this? I think in part he's acquiescing to the Chinese government, who doesn't want anyone to think there's any problem in Tibet. That's why they have almost erased Tibet from sort of the global conversation about human rights and about, as an issue of international concern. And so he sort of will vaguely mention Tibet, or he's talked about the Tibet Autonomous Region, and he's talked about concerning education policies, but that's it. And it's not enough. We are a distinct people with an independent history, with an ancient culture, with our own language. And he needs to talk about us specifically and talk about the children and this residential boarding school system that is one of, I think, the most egregious mass violations of children's rights in the world today. We're talking about potentially at least 80% of all school-aged children in Tibet. This is just beyond the pale. And Volker Türk needs to speak about it directly. This is what I believe in part the Tibetan activist, independence activist, Logov Rangzan, a friend of mine, someone that many of us in the Tibet world have worked closely with over the years. I think this is in part what his self-immolation on the doorstep of the UN in New York last week was about, was like publicly protesting and indicting the UN over its inaction on Tibet and these highest UN officials who just give China everything it wants and won't even talk about our issues. So we have a petition that we are calling on Volker Türk to break his silence on the genocidal boarding schools run by the Chinese government in Tibet. And we need your help to get signatures. We need to put so much pressure on him and a real backlash on the Chinese government.